Specta Air and Specta Mini accessories available. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Today, I found out that accessories are now available for the Specta Mini and the Specta Air out on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. I have some great news. I found out today that accessories are now available for the Specta Mini and the Specta Air. So let's go ahead and take a look at that out on Amazon's page. They do have home accessories and posts. Let's go ahead and click on accessories, and you can see right here, the Specta Air Intelligent Flight Battery is $146. Specta Air Low Noise Propellers for a pair, $12. Specta Mini Intelligent Flight Battery for $44, and Specta Mini Propellers for $12. Now, recently, the Specta Mini is now available, and you have seen the reviews. I've done 2 of them already out on YouTube. And currently, right now, the Specta Mini, let's go ahead and bring that up, that is $259 out on Amazon's website. And also to let you know, too, the Specta Air is on sale. The Specta Air, they did have it on sale for a while, and they did put it on sale again. Currently, right now, it is $899 out on Amazon. I also want to let you know, too, that I have received a number of emails regarding the Specta Mini, and the app is not available for iOS. I want to suggest that you can contact Specta at this email address, and let me go ahead and share that with you here. Okay, that email address is after-sales@cogito-text.com. That's after-sales@cogito-text.com. I have posted links in the description for the accessories out on Amazon, and also the email address for Cogito to email them regarding any questions you may have about either drone. Question of the day: what did you think of Specta Air and Specta Mini accessories available? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.